Welcome to English Literature, UGC NET. Here we are going to discuss most important questions for UGC NET exam. I hope this session will be helpful for you. If you are new to our channel, please do subscribe and don't forget to like and share the video. Let's start. First question. In Marlowe's Dr. Faustus, the Latin phrase, consummatum est, is uttered in reference to A. Christ's redemption, B. Faustus, final damnation, C. The completion of magic knowledge, D. The signing of the bond. The right answer is option B. Faustus, final damnation. Next question. Which Shakespearean play contains the line, ripeness is all? A. Hamlet, B. King Lear, C. Macbeth, D. Measure for Measure. The right answer is option B. King Lear. Next question. Ben Jonson's dramatic theory is most closely aligned with which classical principle? A. Catharsis, B. Hamasha, C. The Unities, D. Peripeteia. The right answer is option C. The Unities. Next question. The subplot involving Barabbas, daughter-in-the-Jew of Malta ends with A. Conversion to Judaism, B. Escape to Italy, C. Conversion to Christianity, D. Suicide. The right answer is option C. Conversion to Christianity. Next question. Which Shakespearean tragedy features a storm scene symbolizing political chaos rather than inner conflict? A. Hamlet, B. Macbeth, C. King Lear, D. Othello. The right answer is option C. King Lear. Next question. Ben Jonson's Volpone is set in which city? A. Rome, B. Florence, C. Venice, D. Milan. The right answer is option C. Venice. Next question. In Tamburlaine the Great, Tamburlaine burns which sacred book? A. The Bible, B. The Quran, C. The Torah, D. The Zend Avesta. The right answer is option B. The Quran. Next question. Which Shakespeare play most clearly violates the classical unities of time and place? A. The Tempest, B. Othello, C. Antony and Cleopatra, D. Macbeth. The right answer is option C. Antony and Cleopatra. Next question. Ben Jonson's concept of humors is derived from which medical theory? A. Ayurvedic medicine, B. Paracelsian chemistry, C. Galenic theory, D. Hippocratic oath. The right answer is option C. Galenic theory. Next question. The character Mephistopheles first appears in Dr. Faustus as A. A dragon, B. A friar, C. A devil in terrifying form, D. A fallen angel disguised as a scholar. The right answer is option C. A devil in terrifying form. Next question. In Shakespeare's Measure for Measure, the Duke governs Vienna under the disguise of A. A soldier, B. A friar, C. A merchant, D. A lawyer. The right answer is option B. A friar. Next question. Ben Jonson's The Alchemist satirizes which contemporary obsession? A. courtly love, B. colonial expansion, C. pseudo-science and greed, D. religious reformation. The right answer is option C. pseudo-science and greed. Next question. Which Marlowean hero exemplifies the Renaissance overreacher most completely? A. Barabbas, B. Faustus, C. Tamburlaine, D. Edward II. The right answer is option C. Tamburlaine. Next question. Shakespeare's use of the play within the play primarily serves which function in Hamlet? A. comic relief, B. moral instruction, C. psychological confirmation, D. structural symmetry. The right answer is option C. psychological confirmation. Next question. In Every Man in His Humour, Ben Jonson originally set the play in A. London, B. Florence, C. Rome, D. Venice. The right answer is option B. Florence. Next question. Which Shakespearean character declares, I am not what I am? A. Edmund, B. Iago, C. Richard III, D. Cassius. The right answer is option B. Iago. Next question. Which Shakespearean character declares, I am not what I am? A. Edmund, B. Iago, C. Richard III, D. Cassius. The right answer is option B. Iago. Next question. Marlowe's Edward II is significant because it focuses primarily on A. supernatural tragedy, B. domestic politics and favoritism, C. classical heroism, D. religious martyrdom. The right answer is option B. domestic politics and favoritism. Next question. Ben Jonson criticized Shakespeare mainly for lacking A. imagination, B. classical learning, C. moral seriousness, D. linguistic power. The right answer is option B. classical learning. Next question. The witches in Macbeth function primarily as agents of A. deterministic fate, B. psychological temptation, C. divine justice, D. comic irony. The right answer is option B. psychological temptation. Next question. Which Shakespeare play ends with a masque celebrating harmony and reconciliation? A. Cymbeline, B. Pericles, C. The Winter's Tale, D. The Tempest. The right answer is option D. The Tempest. Next question. In Volpone, Mosca's name symbolically represents A. Strength, B. Wealth, C. A parasite, D. Wisdom. The right answer is option C. A parasite. Question for you. Marlowe's blank verse is often described as A. Unstopped and restrained, B. Lyrical and musical, C. Mighty and swelling, D. Fragmented and abrupt. Submit right answer below in the comment box.